Bitcoin's journey is nothing short of legendary. From a niche idea in 2009 to becoming the world's most valuable digital asset, Bitcoin has transformed finance, technology, and even global economics. In this video, we'll explore the complete history of Bitcoin, from its mysterious beginnings with Satoshi Nakamoto to its mainstream adoption today. Our story begins in 2008, during the global financial crisis. Trust in banks was collapsing. Then came a mysterious white paper published by the unknown figure, or group, called Satoshi Nakamoto. The paper described Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, a revolutionary idea, money that exists outside banks, governments, and middlemen. In January 2009, Bitcoin officially launched when Satoshi mined the very first block, known as the Genesis block. Embedded in it was a hidden message. The Times, 3rd of January 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. A statement about the flaws of traditional finance. At this time, Bitcoin had no price. It was just an experiment shared among cryptography enthusiasts. By 2010, Bitcoin made history with the first real-world transaction. 10,000 BTC were used to buy 2 pizzas. Back then, that was worth only $40. Today, those same Bitcoins would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. This event is now celebrated every year as Bitcoin Pizza Day. The first Bitcoin exchanges appeared, allowing people to trade BTC for real money. Slowly, its price climbed from fractions of a cent to $1 in 2011. This was the first sign that Bitcoin had real value, but success also attracted problems. In 2011, Bitcoin was linked to Silk Road, the online black market, and regulators began paying attention. The currency faced skepticism, criticism, and constant declarations of its death. Yet, every time it was doubted, Bitcoin came back stronger. Between 2013 and 2016, Bitcoin's price became more volatile. It crashed from over $1,000 to around $200, but the technology kept improving. More developers joined, mining became more advanced, and businesses began accepting Bitcoin as payment. This was the time Bitcoin started building its reputation as digital gold. The big breakthrough came in 2017. Bitcoin went mainstream, hitting nearly $20,000 per coin. Suddenly, Wall Street, media, and everyday people were talking about it. However, the hype was followed by a massive crash in 2018, when Bitcoin fell below $4,000. Many thought the bubble had burst for good, but history repeated itself. By 2020 to 2021, Bitcoin entered a new golden era. Fueled by global money printing during the pandemic, institutional investors like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and even Wall Street giants bought in. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of over $69,000 in late 2021, cementing its place as a mainstream financial asset. Of course, the journey wasn't all smooth. Bitcoin faced regulation crackdowns, energy consumption debates, and multiple market crashes. Still, every downturn was followed by recovery. Even today, Bitcoin remains the largest cryptocurrency, with a market cap in the hundreds of billions. So, where are we now? Bitcoin has gone from an idea in a white paper to a global phenomenon. It's being adopted in countries like El Salvador as legal tender. Banks, hedge funds, and millions of individuals worldwide are holding Bitcoin. Some see it as the future of money, others as digital gold, and skeptics still call it a bubble. But no matter what you believe, one thing is certain: Bitcoin has already changed the world. From 2009 to today, it has rewritten the story of money, trust, and freedom. and its history is still being written right now. So, what do you think? Will Bitcoin become the currency of the future, or remain a digital asset for investors? Let me know in the comments below.